Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig XL brings the proven strength and simplicity of Kreg Pocket-Hole joinery to projects built using 2x4 and 4x4 boards. This pocket-hole jig makes it possible to build with twice the strength, using larger XL pocket-hole screws that are engineered to offer impressive holding power. Whether you're building projects indoors or outdoors, the Pocket-Hole Jig XL makes it easy to build big and build strong. It starts with the jig's dual hardened steel drill guides. They guide the stepped XL drill bit at the perfect angle every time to create a perfectly positioned pocket hole using any ordinary drill. A pair of sliding locking stops adjust easily to match the board you're using, whether it's a 2x4 or 4x4. Just press the tabs and move the sliders to either thickness. Setting up the stepped XL pocket hole drill bit is just as simple, thanks to easy set markings that are etched into the bit. Just slide the stop collar until the proper board thickness shows through the window, and then tighten the collar using the included hex wrench. Now position the Pocket-Hole Jig XL on your board so the sliders are against the edge or end of the board, and then clamp the jig in place. The clamp pad adapter that comes with the jig works with Kreg clamps as well as many other kinds. There's also Kreg Grip Max material on the underside of the jig that helps it grip the board. Chuck the hex shank of the XL drill bit in your drill, and then just drill until the stop collar contacts the drill guide. The bit drills the pocket plus a pilot hole for the screw in one step. This jig's two drill guides position a pair of pocket holes at perfect spacing on the width of a 2x4 or 4x4. If you want to vary the spacing, or if you want to use just one drill guide though, you can twist the two drill guides apart and then use them separately. The Pocket-Hole Jig XL can even be used for repairs by removing the material thickness slider and then clamping the drill guide in place flush with the end of the board. With the pocket holes drilled, you're ready to create a strong, lasting joint by driving in a Kreg XL pocket hole screw. These screws are engineered to offer the holding strength big projects need, and they have Kreg's 3-layer Protect Coat finish for corrosion resistance, so you can use them outdoors or indoors and in treated lumber. XL screws are available in two different lengths, a 2.5-inch screw for 2x4 boards and a 4-inch long screw that dives deep for even more holding power in 4x4 boards. Driving the screws is easy too, using the included number 3 square drive bit that holds tight in the screw head so it won't slip or strip the screw. You don't even need a hole in the joining board, thanks to the screw's self-tapping tip. Like everything Kreg builds, the Pocket-Hole Jig XL is designed to be tough enough for professionals, but easy to use for anyone, even if you're just getting started. And when you buy from Kreg, you get more than just a product. You become part of the Kreg family, which means you'll get Kreg's world-class customer support, educational resources and videos, newsletters and social interaction, and even step-by-step plans for projects you can build.